Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another new video. So this video is gonna be art related. It's gonna be more creative and artistic. So yeah, I have old CDs which are lying around in my house. I thought of doing something related to the CDs. So I thought of doing CD art, which is kind of like a DIY with the CDs, old CDs lying around the house. So yeah, let's start with the video. I'll show you what all you require for this DIY. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what you need. You need a CD obviously. Then you want to have paints, poster paints, then a bowl of water, a blade if you want to, and be careful with the blade. If you're smaller than 12 years, please use your parents' help. Then you need a cellophane tape. If you're a blingy person, you might need sequins to decorate your CD, and then a paintbrush. And I forgot to mention, you will need glue also to stick the sequences on the CD. So let's start. So first you need to have a small crack on the CD. Be careful with the blade, please. And now you're gonna need the tape. Get the tape off and put it exactly on the crack. Press how much ever possible and just strip it off. You get this clean waxing type thing for the CD. Keep doing that until the whole thing comes off. You can see this is how it rips off. So keep doing this until it comes out. I have already finished one. So this is how it looks. It is transparent. So one I have done. I'll do this and I'll be back. So here are the two CDs. One has a holographic type finish, which has this rainbow colorish reflection, and one is a full transparent CD. I don't know from where did I get the CD. Usually the CDs after removing the cover look like this, but I don't know from where did I get this CD, and it turned out to be fully transparent. So let's start. Okay, so to start with the CDs, I'm gonna start with this transparent CD. I'm gonna paint it. So I'm gonna use these 4 bright colors to paint, and also you can use a black color to outline the lines. So let's start. how it looks. The first CD is done. I did the black outlining off camera because it needed too much detailing. Felt this looks really nice and looks really vibrant and really pretty. Not necessary to use the same colors, you can use your own different colors. Also you can use pastel colors, it will look really good with pastel colors also. We'll start with the other one. We need glue and few different color sequence for it. So yeah, let's get started with this one. So this is how it looks. I think that was pretty quick and pretty easy. The outcome is like really pretty. So this is how the CDs look finally. This is one with the sequence and this is the one with the painting. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I'll show you the clips after the video. So yeah, I guess that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked this video. You can also do variations of it. You can paint it fully and just make a pattern out of it, or you can write some quotes on top of it. It will look really nice, and you can stick it on the wall of your room, or you can hang it anywhere in the room. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the art session of this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you think your friends might like this video, please share it with them too. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll show you the pictures in the next clip. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and also share it with the people who you think will love this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.